The Grđevica River has overflowed its banks in recent hours due to heavy rain, flooding vehicles abandoned overnight in its bed, which also serves as the largest parking lot in downtown Budva. This can be seen in footage showing the rising waters sweeping away everything in their path. Grđevica is dry for most of the year, so its riverbed, especially during the summer months, turns into a parking lot for hundreds of cars. As there is practically no parking space in the Budva fields, and hundreds of buildings and houses have been built. The heavy rains have caused significant problems in the Kurbčin Municipality, especially in the town of Lak, where flooding has caused significant hardship. Flooding has also been reported in the Gjorm and Zheja regions, worsening the situation for residents in both areas. The severe weather has damaged the electricity network in several villages, causing power outages. OSHEE teams are on the ground repairing the damage caused by the severe weather, while the city administration has deployed vehicles and personnel to clear debris and restore normal traffic. At the Kafmola and Ulza hydroelectric dams, water levels have increased significantly, but authorities have determined that water levels have not reached critical levels requiring the opening of the floodgates. The situation is being continuously monitored by the Civil Protection, which is committed to preventing potential disasters. The Kurbčin Municipality is taking the necessary measures to address the situation, allocating resources to address the impact of the severe weather. These measures include deploying teams to clear roads and ensure the safety of residents. Information indicates that the situation is complex, but authorities remain vigilant and are working to resolve the problems caused by the rainfall, hoping that the situation will improve in the coming days. As previously reported, a storm hit several settlements in Hungary on Monday afternoon. According to Hungaromet's warning, a passing cold front and its front are also shaping the weather in the Songrad-Sanad region. In addition to strong winds, the passage of the cold front was accompanied by heavy rainfall. In some places, thunder and lightning also accompanied the storm. The The storm was avoided in the Songrad and Szeged regions thanks to heavy rain, and it passed over Marteli and Hódmezővásárhely within minutes. Szanadpalota fared worse, with pea-sized hail hitting the town. According to information we have so far, the storm was avoided in that area without causing serious damage, but it did cause significant damage in the neighboring Bács-Kiskun region. Snow fell across much of western Serbia last night, and some roads remain snow-covered, and drivers are advised to exercise caution. Snow also fell on the Miloš Veliki highway, making it difficult for cars to navigate the snowfall. Due to the snow remaining on some roads in Serbia, the AMSS issued a warning. Furthermore, parts of the town of Čačak were without electricity yesterday due to heavy snow. According to road officials, about 15 centimeters of snow fell in Zlatibor, and roads began to freeze this morning. The snowfall that fell until early morning in the Kurbčin Municipality left about 5,000 villagers in the upper reaches of Dragocivo without electricity. Milija Milenkovic, assistant to the Kurbčin Municipality president, told Tanjug. About 5 centimeters of snow covered Dragocivo, but all roads remained passable. The wet snowfall caused power supply problems in villages in the upper reaches of Dragocivo. About 5,000 residents of Dragocev are currently without electricity, Milenkovic said. There are also power supply problems in the Čačak region, in parts of the settlements of Ljubic, Rakova, Tribusani, and Milisevci. Heavy snow fell on the Miloš Veliki highway, reducing visibility and blocking the road. A similar situation occurred on the Ivanjica Rilj road. In Kajetina, there were landslides due to snowfall and trucks were parked idle.